package. Now I'm going to squishy question tag. I don't know what it is called. And let's get started. Question number... Oh no. So first question is, what squish are you most comfortable to squish / most fun to squish? This Pooh Bear squishy.
Really?
And I'm going to get another package that has the panda bun and real Kuma sandwich. I made a video on this. And I'm gonna make a video on that. So yeah, so it's this one. And yeah. Question number 2. What is your tiniest squishy in your collection? That's a lot. So this cheese squishy, these 2 peppers squishy, and this squishy. And with this also, surprise cat face squishy. Question number 3. What is your squishiest squishy in your collection? This one. I keep repeating this one because this one is so squishy. This cord, it is so squishy. Sometimes it cracks. See, I have 3 of them. And then this chicken and this ball. It's so squishy. And this one's the most squishiest also. It's just like... What is your most defected squishy in your collection? What? Again? This one. Because you see here, the eyes, the eyebrows, see? There. And the ears, see? Like here. See? And the eyes were defected, so I just did a marker. What is your most rare squishy in your collection? Well, this one, this cheese, this, and this, because they don't sell it anymore. What is your most textured squishy? This one. The back is super. See? It is so textured. And it is so cute. What is your cute squishy in your collection? This one. And this one. These 2. And yeah. And then, what is your hardest squishy in your collection? This one. It's not even squishy. They don't even have a squishy. And this one. It's not even one squishy bit. And this one. Well, no, not that one. Not that one. And this. It's not even squishy. And this. There. What squishy in your collection that gets defected easily? This one. It got defected yesterday. And it got defected on the eyebrow. A little focus. Good. What is your biggest squishy in your collection? Oh boy. This one. This one. This tomato. And yeah, I guess that's it. Then So that is all the questions, and
Pwede
this
tayo
one is
kakatan niya
very
aja.
squishy.
Nah.
And you didn't see these, so we got the Pooh
Ah.
Bear squishy.
Now, masakasi pa jelly ito.
So I'm showing you, and I'm doing the question. Then this surprise cat face squishy. I will have jumbo peanut and welcome sandwich when I get my package. And the Pooh Bear comes with a ball chain, silver ball chain. And this one comes with a black silicone strap. Then I have this cheese squishy, this egg squishy, and this other one that's really hard. Then this carrot, this peas, this asparagus, this squishy ball, this tomato, this pepper, this green pepper, and then this pickle, and then this other green pepper, this corn. I think this one cracks. See? It just cracks. And this one. And this one. Okay, none of them crack, but something they do. And then we have this ball, this chicken, this big chicken, jumbo, this patty, this patty. I took this patty, then I have the sausage, this one, and this one. They are very squishy. Then I have this like steak thing, and it is so squishy. Then this bread dough thing, this baby tomato, this beet, this can. Then this mushroom, and I like the top. It's like gonna crack. I love it. And then the sausage. Did you hear that? Then this can is so squishy. Then this hard egg. This was the hardest squishy also. And this was the hardest squishy too. This was the squishiest squishy ever. Forgot what I said. And this potato. And I am in 2nd grade, room 7, like Ellen. I have like a lot of friends, like my classmates. I have a lot. Like my partner Trisha, Dawson, Eric, Luna, Dylan, Brian, Adriana, and Nancy, and Gavin, Brenda, Lily, Kristen, Anthony, Helena, Vivian, Leslie, Elias, Mia, and Omar. That's all my students. If I forgot one of you, just comment down below. Well, I don't have a comment down below. If I do, just comment down below. And this potato squishy. If I didn't say someone like maybe Gavin, I think I said Gavin. And last but not least is this eggplant squishy. It's so squishy! But I really love this most because it feels like bread. It smells like bread. I can't even tell you how it smells. If you can't smell it, no. This is just my